When your BMW ESA suspension is worn, when you're not happy with the ride height, or when the stock spring is too soft, this video explains how to optimize your suspension. First, allow our USA partner Beamer Shop to explain you some issues with a worn ESA shock.
Hi, Ted Porter from BeamerShop.com. At some point, your original equipment ESA suspension will reach its end of life, and not all parts are available separately for a quality rebuild. There are a number of factors at play, such as your suspension fluid, which thins over time, and there are a variety of wear parts inside the shock, such as this piston band, which is responsible for sealing the piston and forcing all the oil through the valving. As this piston band wears, oil can escape around the corner of the piston, resulting in a loss of performance. And another item that's known to wear is this seal head assembly. One good illustration of that is how much lateral movement there is in this piston rod. This seal head assembly has worn out, the oil has escaped, and this shock is no longer functional. Another example is this rebound damping stepper motor, which lives in your lower shock eyelet. As you can see, moisture has infiltrated this area, and this motor has rusted and is no longer functional. Which leads me to the ESA replacement shock from Tractive Suspension, where you get a new rebound damping motor that's relocated up inside the shock to protect it from the elements. You get stainless steel mounting bushings, a 16mm chrome moly piston rod, and a reinforced seal head, just to name a few of its attributes. And we transfer your preload motor over, which also makes this an exceptional value. These shocks are available in standard length and lowering options. They're set up for your weight and loads. They are fully rebuildable, and they have a 5-year warranty. Ted Porter, USA partner with Tractive Suspension.
The Tractive Suspension team worked since the late 80s at WP in the Netherlands and developed, for example, BMW ESA. Since 2010, Tractive has continued this tradition and supplies electronic shock absorbers for motorbikes, race cars and snowmobiles. The ESA adjustment of the oil-cooled bikes works with a stepper motor. When the rider pushes the button from soft to normal, the oil flow through the piston bypass becomes less. This increases the damping of the main piston. Same happens when changing from normal to hard. Tractive uses the most robust stepper motor available. The liquid-cooled bikes with dynamic ESA are based on a solenoid valve, as shown in the video. Tractive uses its own patented valve with a large adjustment range and fast reaction. As you can see, the conversion is a less than 10-minute job for a trained suspension expert. Our experts have all the tools, training and service parts. The shocks are available from our partner Beamer Shop in the USA and in Europe from several partners. When the shocks are ordered at Touratech in Germany, they come with an ABE approval.